All right. Here are your videos for this week. Your test is Thursday, so you need to be watching them if you're in my class.
Miss Johnson's test is not Thursday.
So you get more practice, no matter what you should do. Okay, common denominators. The first rule to adding and subtracting is that you need like denominators. Our first two examples have like denominators, so we can leave them alone. If we're talking about fourths, we're still going to be in fourths. So 3/4 minus 1/4 is going to give us 2/4. You're just subtracting your numerators. 7/10 minus 2/10. I still have like denominators, so we're still tenths. 7 minus 2 is 5.
No, that's his plus.
Oops, we're adding good because I was thinking I didn't make one with simplifying. All right, 7 plus 2 is 9. 9/10. Make sure you watch your signs, obviously.
That one be the simple side.
Okay, next one.
Oh.
1/4 plus 1/2. If you don't have like denominators, you need to make like denominators. So the first step is to see if your denominators talk to each other and work together. 2 and 4 are going to work together because 2 times something is 4. So we're going to change halves to be out of fourths. How do we get from 2 to 4? We times by 2. So whatever we do to the denominator, we need to do to the numerator. So 1 times 2 is 2. So we're saying that 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4, which means we can substitute 2/4 in our problem for 1/2 so that we can add with like denominators. 1/4 plus 2/4 is going to give us 3/4. 5 and 10. Again, if they can work with each other, only change one. If they don't work with each other, you're going to have to change both. So I can make my fifths out of tenths. 5 times 2 is 10. So if I do the same thing to my numerator that I do to my denominator, my new fraction is 2/10. 2/10 is equal to 1/5. They take up the same amount of space. So I'm going to substitute 2/10 into my problem to solve it. 2/10 plus 2/10 is 4/10. In another video, we're going to talk about simplifying. And when we do that, you'll notice that some of our answers that we came up with here can be simplified. If you already are thinking that, you could challenge yourself right now to do that before you watch the next video. Okay? Move on.